Welcome everyone to the new episode of Revealing Secret of the Agreements done by the subject and verb. I'm Shomugush. Today we will also reveal those secrets as we have previously discussed about some other secrets and agreements. Now let's see how do we solve it. So let's go. So here are the rules of the first one. That is, if we join two nouns qualified by each or every, that means it's preceded by each or every. Two nouns that is preceded by each or every, and that will take the and, means they are joined by and. That will take the singular verb. Basically, the two nouns which are joined together by and, they will take the plural verb. But the condition is here that each and every, if these sit before that two nouns, then the verb will take the singular verb. Okay, let's see. Every teacher and every student has made the program successful. So our singular verb is here, has. Every teacher, every student. These two nouns are joined together by and the verb is here singular, that is has. For that, every teacher and every student, that resembles to one subject. Next, if we say each businessman and each dealer has the same problem. Same here, taking the singular verb. Go to my next agreement. Here is the rule, that is, some nouns look like plural but they are actually singular and take singular verb. Means they are looking like plural, means it is our basic thought that a plural noun will always take s or es after it, or it will be looking like the plural. But these are actually the singular, so these are disguised. So take care of them very, very carefully. Let's see the news, that is taking that s after it, but it's actually not. News, that means the information, and if we divided it, it's the abbreviation of it. North, east, west and south. So it's not like that s is only added for to give it a plural sense. No, s is just like an s. A is just a letter that is used here, but that's why it's taking that singular verb. Next one, the wages. Also it's looking like wages, plural. No, it's not. Wages, that's the amount, one amount, is very low for the staffs. Mathematics. You know that the mathematics is only one subject. It's not that various subjects. Is my favorite subject. John Kids. The name that is taking the s after it. It's not that so many people. Okay? So let's go. Now here is the rule that collective nouns sometimes work as singular and sometimes work as plural. So they have the dual personality. Let's see. The committee has taken the decision. Here the committee is looking like one, and the committee that has taken the decision. Now if we say that the committee have divided to take decision, that means you are dividing the committee. Now if I say an apple, that are total a whole of apple, but if I cut it into pieces, now these are the pieces of apple. So if we take the whole apple, that will be the singular. If we take the pieces of apple, that will be the plural. But you have to be very, very careful here. The committee has decided when we are using the singular verb here and for the singular noun, so it will take the singular pronoun also, that is, it's not there. I think you are clear. So let's go to the next slide. Here we'll read about that a proper noun should take a singular verb, although it's looking like plural. The United States, maybe so many states are together and that's why it's called that united. But actually the United States is only one place. When we are thinking about that whole United States, it's only one place. Is fighting against the pandemic. Next, Gulliver's Travels. It's a book name. Maybe there will be so many travels. That's why the author has given that name, Travels. But that doesn't mean in our grammatical sense. It's not that the nouns, it's like only one book, so only one noun here. So it will take obviously the singular verb, that is. So here, thank you for watching my video, and we'll be revealing some more secrets and agreement. So keep these secrets as dark. I'm Shomu Ghosh. We'll meet you soon. Bye bye.